is people, just the youngest and stronger person. Do you know why? They pay money for this people. They pay money for this people.
Tunisian and Libyan.
I saw one guy from Somalia. Okay, I have a question. I did a rally for Al-Bahrain, not because religion. If you can repeat all the rally in Calgary, I'm the one who did that for the Bahrain. I'm the one who leader of that. Yep. And I'm the one who started for Al-Quds. When I go there, I have a voice not because religion, no way, because of human rights. That's my life. My life is human rights. Okay, when you are believe freedom, and you need freedom, and you need democracy, that means you need that for everyone. We don't care about what kind of religion, we don't care about the skin color, we don't care about anything, you know? We care about human rights. Why Jamal Hamoud, he didn't send these people for Al-Bahrain? And the Bahraini people killed every day. Why this guy, he didn't? Okay, if you said Bashar, he's bad guy. No problem, I'm with you. I'm with you, he's bad guy. Give me, we have a brain, and you know me, as a woman, I don't have a brain. Okay, make a joke with me. Yeah, make a joke with me. Just play a game with me. Play a game. Sit with me. Give me, as a human being, me and you, respect each other. Give me the picture, what you have about this guy, okay, and what I have, and talking to each other. That's the truth. Why you said all this is, and he's a kafir? You know what it means in Canada in Section 15 in the law of Canada? When you talk about Section 15 in Canada, what they said? You can't talking about that, about sex. You can't talk about color, skin. You can't talk about religion. You can't talk about a kind of word kafir. This is a really strange word in Canada. All this is who do like that. We have law in Canada under period 186 or something in the law in Canada. If you do that, you will take the citizenship from you, and if you have a license, he will take the license from you. And this guy, he did that.
Yeah, I know this.
He did that. I asked Mr. Wayne, he's my friend. I said, Wayne, tell me, we have a law. My daughter, she's study law because now she study double major 4 years, and she will study 3 years law. And I said, Juan, tell me, you know me very well, you know my family. If this guy, he said like that, where is the government here? Where is the CISS? This is their job, you know? CISS, this is their job. What can they do with this guy? Tell me, Mr. Wayne, but I will tell you that. Before you tell me, I will tell you the answer. This is people, because they follow United States, just keep quiet. That's the truth. That's the truth. And I said, okay, if now he said Fatima, yeah, we have this is a law in Canada. But if nothing happened, they don't do anything with this guy. But if something happened, they can do. I said, okay, thanks to God. They did that with me and with my son. That's what happened because of this guy. We need the media with us. We need a lot of things with us now. Yeah. I think Ali, he heard me. We never can stop to go to the lari. Even if last Sunday we will go maybe 50, next time we will go a lot of people. Even now the leader of the Muslim Iraqi, he will go next rally. He called us. He said, Fatima, why you didn't call me? I said something. He said, Fatima, I will go, and many people, they will go. Not because we need a fight. No, we need just to give the people, this is the... About the Israeli flags, they made a lot of problem about this flag. See the Syrian people...
And they make a picture for
they
us
make
like
it a lot of problem.
We're holding the Israel. It's
no, but you know what means? I know this is people very well, you know. And I said to them every week, thank you for you doing, the Israeli people. Do you know what means this is flag? We have here a history library in Calgary on the corner, you know, on the downtown. This is people, every weekend, they give a food for the homeless.
Yes.
And always, I saw that when I crossed over that, even same day, I stand with them. I said, thank you for you doing everything for the people, poor people.
Yeah.
No problem.
That's the street ministry, yeah.
Yeah. And this is people, they help the poor people. And they now, what's this another group? See, another group. They said, oh, they have this flag because of that. Oh my goodness. Why they lying like that? Why they doing all this problem around?
The Israel
they
flag,
bring
yeah.
strong. Yeah, do you know why they doing that? Do you know if I don't have a brain like what they said, I will go to their group, yeah, you know, the Israeli people. I said, hey, drop your flag down, I will kill you. And what after that? They can't stand. Just listen to me. They will have a fight. They need that. They need doing that now.
That's what they're doing. They're instigating. They're trying to instigate
Why?
that. Yeah.
Why
Because
that?
that's Harper's agenda. Because it's the Armageddon factor.
Yeah,
Yeah.
why? Even I know, from Israel people, I know they don't accept anything happening there.
Yeah.
I know that. Even we heard that by the news. The Channel 10 in Israel. When you heard Channel 10 in Israel, they never be with the government. About what the government they doing.
Yep.
You can see some people, they say it loud. We need to be just have a life. Just to have a good life. We don't need to fight, we don't need to killing, we don't need anything.
Yep.
Why these people now, see now what they doing? This is really kind of game. They doing it group by group to kill each other. Do you know the war, the Bastille War? If you read about the history of Bastille War,
Please.
if you know about the Bastille War, why the Bastille War happened? Because exactly the leader of the mosque and the leader of the church and the leader of the temple, they talking what this guy now did, and they fight each other, and the government just watching.
Yeah.
And now that happened here. This is now this is years that they need returning the Bastille War. We should the people understand that. They need to do the second Bastille War. Because I know Bastille War. I read a lot about Bastille War. At Bastille War, this is the leader who did that. Because the pastor leave his job as a pastor, and he's talking about politics. And the leader of the Muslim, that's what happened in the Bastille War. And now they need to do that again. Who is the pay for that? Me and you.
Yeah, I know.
Me and you will pay.
And lives.
And me and you maybe die. No problem, die.
Yeah, they
okay.
have no problem.
But after
They don't care.
who's pay? Your son, my son.
I know.
That's the Bastille War. They need doing Bastille War in Calgary.
That's what I told her. I told her.
Bastille War now.
For it's a Muslim, it's we believing all the religion, but it's a practical thing. It's we don't have to follow this way. Yeah, we have to believe what we have to believe. We are all
We have to respect
ones.
each other.
We have to respect each other. We are.
Do you know,
all ones. We
my
are
family
human.
from two sides, Sunni and Shia, and even I have my family from Alawi side. Even I know some of my cousin, their wife Christian. I know from my cousin, his married still a Christian.
No. My
It's
husband.
okay. Just have a fun. Enjoy the life. Enjoy the air. Enjoy the life. Enjoy have a fun. Playing around. Have like now this is party to all culture or group. That's beautiful life. Why destroyed? You know Syria. Syria. If you read about Syria as a country, it's a beautiful country. All culture, all religion together. Every time together. You can go to the church, you can go to the mosque, no problem.
They are beside each other on
Yeah.
the street. And
Why?
everybody is together. It's no one against another. We living
That's
beautiful
hard.
life.
That's hard in
Beautiful
Calgary.
life.
That's hard. I'm worried. I can send a message to the government, to Steve Harper, to Nahid Nanshi in Calgary. Be careful. This is a group now. Grow up in Calgary. This is a group they follow Al Qaeda. This is a group they have feeling and they have a stamp. If they killing anyone who's not follow them, they will be in the heaven. And that's what happened with my son and with me on Sunday. I'm just need to send a message to the government. We should be open your eyes. We should do something about this is a group. And this is a group, we have a leader of this is a group who is give all this speech about that. We should do something here. We should do save the Christian, save the Jewish, save the Muslim. That's exactly, save our kids.
Yep. I agree.
We have Christian here, we have Muslim here, we have Jewish here, we have Hindus here, we have Buddhi here, we have Catholic here. What about Catholic? I know my friend is Catholic, he doesn't believe anything. What means? That means Catholic, oh my God. That means each one Catholic, and you know, many people Catholic in Calgary. That means each one an Catholic in Calgary, he will have policeman stand behind him. Yeah, you know? I can send a message to the government, save all these people, if you are really responsible. That's, I believe, we should save. We should, the government save all culture or religion in Calgary. Oh, you can hold this.
Got them.